What's going on, Dark Crimson Gang? How y'all doing today? And for what we're gonna do for this video here, we're gonna be continuing on with the Chainsaw Man episode 8. We sit here left off with a funny ass cliffhanger with Digi about to get on with I forgot the girl's name. I'll call her the eye patch girl. But what was left on the last episode, like Digi and them had escaped from the Attorney and Devil's Trap. Digi coming in, shredded up for about 3 days straight. Couldn't believe that. I mean, I'm just wondering how that works. He just go in, just chain up like for 3 days straight with no break, or does he like get out of the hole, sleep for a minute, then go back in and all that? I don't know. Kind of skimmed over a little bit, but but the guys did feel sorry for Denji, or they wanted to apologize, so they did this whole little welcome party or so, and I guess it was a way to apologize, even though really nobody even apologized, honestly. But it was like a little bit of a dub for your boy Denji. He got his first kiss, but it turned into a questionable one because Eye Patch Girl was like, she was known for smooching everybody, and Denji got his first kiss, but she ended up puking in his dang mouth, which, if y'all saw the last video, y'all already know how my reaction went. But let's get down with this video right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I post down a video. And if there's another video y'all want me to react to next, make sure you put down the comments down below too. And hey, let's just get down to this video. Oh, we're actually showing how she brought him into the crib. Why did she grab him anyway? Damn. I feel like she was trying to get Aki and just somehow grab Denji at the end. I think that was like her plan. I don't know. At least she's at least you're not gonna take his shoes off. Wow, they're really showing in detail what she's doing from point A to point B, C, and A, or D. I guess you could say at least she showered. I'm looking like, what the hell's going through her head? Oh snap! We get some first person look. That's rarity right there. Oh, let's pause for a minute. I'm still on that first person like look of it. The animation that they did for that one was so clean. Like, it's like you're literally looking at how you will be wobbling or looking or so when you're walking through a room and such. To do that in animation or so is not that common. And it's like how they do it and such, it's like, man, Mappa Studios definitely been like stepping up their game in like every episode, which I very much appreciated. And I'm pretty sure a bunch of people who've been reacting to the episodes themselves or so will be saying the same thing. It's especially that first person one.
ありゃでんでんでんじくん、なんで私ん家にいんの？
You brought him.
あ、私が連れてきたんだっけ？
That's a good ass question.
クラクラする。なんじゃこりゃ。
そういや君、マキマさんのことラブでしょ。
クラクラする。
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキくんもあんな照れちゃってさ。もう、牛。
How they do the subtitle? They'll say move on or move cow. What the hell? I really can't tell if she's infatuated or just straight drunk. Huh? Yeah, like that's what we getting into now. Oh yeah, I remember they kind of did that a little bit on the last episode. That was part of the little cliffhanger part, and I was like, what the fuck? Why are you gonna sit here and just throw that at a dude? Like, come on now. And I really do not see Denji actually even doing it. Honestly, I see him saying, "Nah, you drunk as hell, and I don't like your ass like that." Oh shit, she really meant that.
Banzai.
He just lifted him up like, okay.
Alright. いい子。
しちゃっていいのか。
Yeah.
マキマさんとするはずだったファーストキスを
いい子。
ケロで汚した女に。そ
Oh
の女
my
に
god.
初めて奪われていいのか。よし。
He looking like, yes, I'm about to get it on.
よしよし。下も脱ぎましょうね。
Jesus Christ. Hold on a minute. Before we get into it, because I feel like this is going to leave on some bullshit. But put down the comments down below. If this was you guys here, would y'all let this happen? Or y'all just be like, nah. Now, if you're asking me, I don't know. I'll have mixed feelings about this. Because I'm looking like, to me, it's like, it's not right because she clearly is not in her right mind. But at the same time, I would have been like, I mean, especially with Denji. Denji's been catching, like, no breaks. And even in this questionable W he's getting, such as even that's like a, So, I guess say he could go through with it. But at the same time, I feel like he's going to say, nah.
Huh? ん？ポッケになんか入っちょるよ。
Huh?
ん？チュッパチャップス？来たね。デンジ君、大丈夫？
A lollipop?
外の空気吸おっか。
Trying to recover from that.
スーパーで酔い薬買ってきちゃった。寝る前に水と一緒に飲むこと。
マキマさん、俺クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。俺
Literally.
はこれからいろんな女性とキスをしてもきっとキスのたびにケロの味を思い出すのかな。
I don't think that's really the case with every single person. Like, if it was dramatic like that, I kind of see his viewpoint on that one, which, you know,
多
that
分
is.
一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよ。でも大丈夫。デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験する。ゲロの味を思い出してる暇なんてないよ。とりあえずファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
That's cute. That's cute.
悪いな、ポチタ。お前もエッチしたかったろ。でも俺、初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ。10の悪魔ぶっ殺すまで。それまでは。
Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. We're just like, nah.
デンジ君、
That
お
was a
は
very
よう。
close call, though.
朝ごはん食べれる？
人を見下ろしながら食う飯はうめえな。
デンジ君、昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった？
A lot of things.
誰がゲロ女と厄介。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
ああ、よかったよかった。未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね。逮捕。
You should have been doing that at the bar. Like, should have been arrested then.
デンジ君は変わってるね。普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
はぁ？ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
そういや、デンジ君はマキマさん好きなの？
超好き。
例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？
クソ好き。
So it's key.
よし、私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
うわっマジ？
マジマジ。デンジ君、私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ、私とアキ君くっつけてよ。
So everybody was right. She does like Aki.
あいつどこ好きなの？
顔。
Really?
あ
Such a shallow ass
ー、
reason.
いいぜ。乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
Just like the guy because of his face. Typical
じゃ
shallow
あ
shit.
今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こう。
With benefits?
たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキ君を連れてね。
マキマさんも来ないかな。
京都に何時に着くんだっ
あと30分ですね。
け？じゃあ駅弁買っちゃおう。
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんな怖いんだもん。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。昨日のお酒美味しかった。
She's like, I don't want to deal with these big wig ass fools. The hell? Oh! What? What? Oh!
こちら C 班。
Oh!
Gosh.
Damn! I feel so seemed a little off because I was like, all four of these niggas just went, "Choo." And then you hear a bunch of bags moving and all that. Ooh, dang. Ooh. And she's not gonna be happy by that. Dang. Dang. They ass is still here? I thought they quit. Oh my god. Oh, it's a setup! Bringing the dog back up like... Oh no! What the hell is going on?
本当に言うなら昨日交尾してないのか？意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君は。
Yo, are they sitting here setting him up to kill him or something? I'm so confused. Like, did the Hunter Society just sit here just like, I don't want to deal with you guys no more and just kill them all?
まあ仕方ないことだ。幼少期に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になるらしい。舌がバカだと幸福度が下がる。
わし幸福じゃが。
店出るか。
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。高い店でいいもん食わせてもらったな。じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ。必要悪っていうのかな。じいちゃんみたいな人はさ。女子供も数えるほどしか殺したことない。役売った金で欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ。みんなに好かれた江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。
Oh, here we go.
デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
What the fuck?
何のつもりだ、てめえ。知り合いか。
Hell no. Oh.
てめえの心臓が欲しいんだ。
Oh, hold on, hold on. So the gun devil basically went up to different people or something like that and told him, I guess they made some kind of deal or something. I don't really know how this whole thing works though, but his deal is that his grandpa, the old guy that Digi was dealing with back then, dealing with his father's death and all that stuff, was his grandpa, and now he wants revenge on him and such. I think. I mean, not really Digi's fault, cause he sitting here had the stupid ass idea of making a contract with a zombie devil. That right there was stupid as it was right then and there. But how that got to do with everybody else though? I'm so confused. This is leaving so many questions and answers, man. Damn. Damn. Had to pull summoning jutsu just for him?
Hayakawa Aki, 私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
Oh! Oh, he's like Denji. Holy shit.
So.
Yeah, the sword devil. the hell? Can somebody explain to me exactly what the hell that just happened right there? Like, don't full blown spoiler me, but at least explain to me, at least in the comments and such, exactly what was the sword's power per se, because clearly it's a big ass like OD ass power or something like that, since it takes off life due to the user and all stuff who uses it and all that stuff. But that to me is like, what was that, like on some Reaper Death Seal kind of thing, but on the killing thing instead of sealing kind of level? Or was it like a I don't even know. I just hope on the matter that dude's actually dead, not just like, oh, you thought you killed him, then it's like, surprise. Oh man, I'm so confused right now.
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
あいつ銃を使っていやがった。日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
ひとまず姫野先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。あんたいい動きだったね。
どこから来た？そいつの仲間か。
What the hell? Hold on. Let's go back a couple of seconds here.
みたいな感じか。あんた。
Because it says something about your curse. It says something about the cursed sword's ability.
ひとまず姫野先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。
Your cursed devil.
そのも。
He said, you run that nail through someone enough times so and they will die. So it's basically like basically if a strong opponent gets stabbed a bunch of times or so, or I guess you could say within the devil's curse, it kind of allows the user to know like how many times you need to stab this person in order for them to die within it. But in the cost of doing that, shaves off I guess I don't know, there's not like a clear cut like scroll telling you like how much they take off of it, but clearly I guess say for him not that much, man, because to me I feel like his life would have been cut. I don't know, I feel like some kind of special effect or whatever would happen for Aki for him using that sword. I mean,
持っている釘を何回か刺した。
But now the nigga back and shit, what the hell? Now the curse ain't no damn permanent one.
油断した。マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
Man, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. What the hell? What kind of renegade reviving super boosting bull was that? What the?
まだ生きてるぞ。デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。私はいいから、アキ君を助けて。無理じゃん。あいつの動き見えんかった。
You said hell nah. You saw how fast he was?
嫌だ。あの女、恐ろしい。
What's up? confused. She literally just got shot in the side on the thing. She should be okay.
私の全部をあげるからこうしたの全部使わせて。
Yeah.
Aki君は泣くことができる。デビルハンターは身近な死に慣れすぎて涙が出なくなる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら
Oh,
嬉しいだろうな。
why would you do that? Why would you make that kind of... My God, are you serious?
アキ君は死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ。泣いてほしいから。ヘビ丸飲み。
Whoa! What the hell is going on here?
帰れ。
Yeah! What the hell? Why? Oh my God, bro. I was liking her as a character. What the shit? And then you gonna leave it like that, bro? What the hell? Wow. Man, I ain't gonna get here with this copyrighted shit, man. Oh, bro, we went through all that. Sitting here like, yo, let's do an alliance. And all that stuff with Digi and them. Looking like this gonna be like that kind of team. But not on some Team 7 kind of thing, but it was giving that vibe like it could have been a good time. Then you just gonna end it like that. Damn. Why don't you do that? Man, bro, somebody put it down in the comments down below. What exactly happened to where she agreed to that whole thing? Because she didn't have to give herself up like that. You didn't have to give herself up like that. Like, if I remember correctly, like, okay, the big thing or so happened, like the whole explosions or whatever, and she got shot here. But she should have still been good. Unless I missed something or whatever though, but that don't make no damn sense. So why all of a sudden she started coughing up blood like that? Like she really was feeling like this is at the end of her rope, so it's like, let me use the last remaining life I got to try to help him and all that stuff. I'm so confused, man. I'm so confused. And for them to just leave it like that, God. I just can't believe that. That is so messed up. And what? And I guess apparently there are other people out there that's like Denji. So I don't know if it's still in that same concept where this katana devil is inside of this man right here's heart or something like that. I don't know how that whole thing works, but he's not the only demon hybrid out here. That's very interesting. That is very interesting. That does make this whole episode very interesting. It leaves a lot of questions and answers. But let me know exactly how you guys felt about this episode. You know, give you guys a rate, 1 out of 10, and all that. And also as well, if there's any other videos y'all want me to react to next, hey, make sure you put down in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. And as always, you guys are the very best. I'm going to see you guys out on the next video. Laters.